Find My Past. With
Right.
British and Irish records you won't find anywhere else. Clever hints that make growing your family tree easy.
Bam,
And a knowledgeable
bam.
community to help. You can't choose your family, but you can choose where you find it. To start your family tree for free, search Find My Past. This Black Friday at Tesco Mobile, the freshest phones are reduced with Club Card prices. So you can get the Google Pixel 7a with 25 gigs of data for just
Helicopter
£22.99 a
ending.
month with Club Card prices, saving you a massive £360. This deal can't last forever, so don't miss out.
No, not
This is
Roboto.
Supermarket Mobile. To switch, pop in
Helicopter.
store or search Tesco Mobile.
Helicopter, mate. Yes, I need this duct tape. What's in it? No.
Your ranch is part of the most famous treasure hunt that's never been solved. We're sitting on something huge.
Brand new Mystery at Flying Frog Ranch starts Tuesday the 28th of November on Discovery. In Los Angeles, cars
Bam.
everything.
Green.
You can't deliver, you're done. $1 Million Wheels, Thursday at 9 on Quest.
Collapse.
Stream the full series now on Discovery Plus.
In the wooded heart of Central Oregon,
What's in here? Nothing.
predator
Oh crap.
hunts this tree. We know what happened. There's a cluster of missing girls.
Oh god! Grandpa's dead body.
Case begins to shift, and it's not been stopped. Lost women of Highway 20 stream the full
Let's
series
go.
now, only on Discovery
Nothing.
Plus.
I'm going to take this
Yes, I need
template
that.
over to our dies and see if there's an existing set of dies that'll give me that shape. It's a little shy of what I want.
Since none of these
Let's
pieces
test
are
them.
going to work, we're going to have to
Warning.
make a custom die.
Warning, if you
We're
might
going to pass
think
that over to the engineer.
you might
This
want
shouldn't
to
be too
worry
difficult.
falling down a while. Oh, never mind.
Now that we got this die all measured up, I'm going to cut it into a bunch of panels.
Shout
We're gonna
out
laminate
to
it together.
Peter.
That's gonna be one big
If you
strong
don't know who
die.
Peter
It's
is,
gonna pull Max
it's
and
Peter
stuff.
Plays. Gorbox YouTuber. Shout out to him. He's a Sigma.
So, if you can see that, you can see the
Bam
profile's
drop.
kind of diving in and the plastic's going to dive back up at the same angle, just opposite, and go across to the other side. So it'll be
Let's
like
go here.
a little window in the top of the
Sticking
lid.
out.
I need to go check in with Chris and make sure the die did the trick.
You're
Chris.
saying I ain't saying
You know, I'm really digging this. Looks cool.
When I was young, I used to dream of doing a very difficult hood modification.
Yeah.
This is
What's in
fun.
here?
This
Yes,
is a
good.
dream
That's
come
real
true.
good.
Well, I trust you.
So run wild. So to finish up this hood, I'm going to add this piece, put a bead on it.
Let's check in here.
You're going to weld it all together and stick it on the car.
I bet. Okay, we don't need that.
Ta-da! Now all that's left is to fit the buck. So Gene Winfield came and started
We
this
definitely
buck
need that.
and then split. Now guess who gets to finish it?
Oh crap.
Sandbag and adjust it a little bit.
Go.
And stick it up in the hole that we've created
Oh
and make sure it fits. All right. Now the buck's finished. It's time to get it out of here to have him build the acrylic. His car is almost ready to
Bro,
go.
chill out.
But there's one last thing
Chill
to do.
out.
Take care of the air ride system, and this sounds like a Kev Dog job.
Don't think it's ever been on the ground on its own wheels since we started, so it's kind of exciting.
I've never seen this big of a car get that low. You know, it's been a while since we worked together. I'm enjoying this.
Yeah,
You were so busy, I haven't said anything.
Oh yeah.
just been trying to get it done as quickly as I can.
Get it done, son.
I don't know if you would call this working together.
Rawr.
It's more like a all the work. You just need to get out of the way. Hey, I do want you to notice that how long that this took because there was somebody out of my way. I just want you to notice that. And then you wait that.
Throw it there.
Long, less long. What is he talking about? It's not even a word. I'm
Grandpa
really glad that
goes
this car's
to
finally
sleep.
ready for body. Now I can concentrate on a little project of my own I've been meaning to get done. Negative design has been
Go.
extremely busy, and with all of the shows we've been going to,
Yep,
it's
I
time to
need the
upgrade our
wrench.
equipment. We're selling off the old tower home and the
No.
old trailer and getting a brand new one. It's gonna be dope. My vision for the new rig is to have
Go,
a very
go, go.
professional and commercial style paint
Nope.
job. We want this thing to really stand out. It's gonna have huge logos, cool graphics, and
Go,
definitely
go.
some updated versions of the wheels and other touches. It should look really, really cool. Yeah, send him in.
Get that
Hey,
quick.
buddy. How are you, man? Doing fantastic.
Go.
Good to see you. Ralph is the owner of R&D Garage out of California, and he specializes in building displays for companies. Why don't we go
Get in!
I'm gonna show you the rig,
Guys,
and he's a
he's
hell of a
down
builder
there.
as well. I'm stoked.
But so we can go upstairs peacefully.
Come on in, check out inside. Look at these cabinets. This trailer was originally designed to fit 2
Done.
NASCARs in the upper deck and a ton of shop equipment and cabinets. We don't need hardly any of that. I think ideally what I'd love to be able to
For a
do
bit.
is really completely gut this out and build something that's really going to be fitting. Create us enough space as possible for the team. We're going to put all of the available space in this trailer to better use. Changing this out, it's not that it's just that it looks like it's a padded crate, you know? So let's remove this. Let's make it nice, white, glossy. This thing has amazing
Yes.
possibilities. And all
One
the work
more.
this area needs, you haven't seen anything yet. Oh, damn, sexy time.
Done. Big weapon keys there.
Dude, was there
What?
a sale
No.
on Little Mirrors? Dude,
What the hell is it?
Catherine's actually got like 5 mirrors in it.
What?
Oh, yeah, siblings, good to see yourself. Go to the bedroom. I don't really watch myself go
What
to the bathroom.
first?
I'm not sure what the idea was with all of the mirrors in the bathroom. It's kind of weird. I'll be so glad when this
No.
fun house of mirrors is gone. On that back wall, do a really cool TV. Taking this off for sure and then using some puck lighting. So we redo this in a durable, obviously commercial grade material. Take all this crap out of here. Let's put the sink in right here. It's nice and clean. Now let's get rid of the checker tile. I'm excited about everything we'll talk about.
Ah!
What's the next step? What do we need to do? Get over dust, dude. Okay. We'll start work on it right away. I love it. Sounds great, buddy. Hey, I'm excited. All right. I really love our new game plan, and I think the new rig is going to look awesome. The only thing that isn't awesome right at the moment is the fact that it's raining. We got to get this Continental from metal shop to the body shop. This car's fresh, bare metal, and there's no protection, so getting it wet will be really bad.
We're gonna have to get up there close, and then I think we're gonna have to swing the front end in where this wheel is.
You guys are going to attempt to roll this car
Stay
which is
sideways.
extremely wide through a very narrow hallway. I don't know whose idea this was, but it's going to be a super tight fit. When did we put that lift there?
The weapon
Sure doesn't look like it's
key.
gonna fit.
We brought something through here before.
I know. That something was not a Lincoln Continental.
How close are we to the lift?
Oh yeah, now I know
Yeah,
where
we
the
need about
weapon
8
key.
inches
I
just to
mean,
get it
a
through the
crowbar
lift.
is.
You almost have to go that way, come through, and then hook back.
Yeah, but it's still looking big.
We couldn't put a tarp or some plastic over this car and just roll it outside real quick. I mean, I don't want them getting through
Let's
here and
first
getting a scratch
chase
on
him.
this car already.
Turn the wheel this way.
We're getting quite the crowd around here. What do they think? This is some kind of show?
The car is huge.
We know this car is huge. That's why we're struggling. You could be helping us.
Way to help out. Is how we do it on the body side.
I want that to reflect. If this does
That
come over
scared
and gets
me.
a scratch, that this is not my fault. This is Kevin's fault.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
Ow,
Yeah,
ow,
I guess me and
ow,
my
ow.
guys better jump in here and help these guys before they do too much damage that we can't fix.
Okay, so you go
Let's
back
go
your way.
chase that
Tiny bit.
stupid idiot.
Oh,
Hello.
shit. It's hitting it.
I really hope we
Thank
don't slow down.
you.
When we're past the 50%,
Click on your.
the only thing we can do is go forward.
Okay, go. You need to go that way. It's
Shut
gonna be
up.
against this wood. We got one
Shut
more.
up.
Okay, straight.
I think we made
We're on day 3, but we're doing really good.
I see a scratch. This was Kevin's idea, not mine.
Good.
Blamed it on you.
gets
Will
laid
she
down
ever
yet.
stop
The scratch was
yapping?
already there. It was circled in Sharpie. What do you think? The wall circled in Sharpie? Hello?
All right, Bryce, we got a big car. Another big car.
There's no new dents. The car's on the body side. It is no longer the metal department's problem.
It's Bryce's problem.
If you have any questions, let me know.
When you're working with a car this size, we really need all hands on deck on this project. There is no time to waste. Our biggest concern as body guys is the length of this car. The quarter's almost 8 feet long. You got a 4-foot long door. The fender's about 6 feet long. Trying to get this thing straight and smooth the entire length of this vehicle is going to be quite a challenge.
Right.
But I think my guys can handle it. What about you? That's pretty dang straight.
I think this is the straightest car that's ever been bodyworked in history. It is freaking straight.
I don't see any variations in it anywhere. It is money. Panels just go directly into each other, one after another, just perfect. I know Bryce was super nervous about this car because the quarter's a monster, but so far, we're ahead of schedule.
Right. What's up, Kevin? What's up, dude? Looks like we're making great progress on this.
We're cruising.
You know, it looks great. How's everything coming out?
Good. It is a big car.
Right?
This thing is massive.
What is it? Have you even put a tape to this? It's like
23 plus feet.
23. It could take some people a lifetime to bodywork this car. And with all the lines down the side,
It is straight.
it's straight.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited. Let's paint it.
So at this point, this car is flawless. It is straight, gapping, Panamax, everything looks perfect. So now it's time for paint.
Look.
So the color that we're doing
Nope.
for the Lincoln is called
Is
Teal
that
Later.
this?
Dave's the one that custom designed this and
Wait,
created
let's
it.
actually
Me
bring it
personally,
in
I love
case
it.
of Grandpa.
Since the Lincoln is a unibody vehicle, this is quite the challenge, especially for us on the paint and body.
Oh my
The
god.
fenders are attached to the frame. Everything is attached to the frame, so none of it is able to be blown apart. So when this car goes in the booth, it's frame, quarters, rockers, fenders, firewall, cowl, all that stuff is together. So this car is over 20 feet long, and you got somebody in there trying to paint it. It's going to be quite the workout.
Oh, where is bro?
Now that the bodywork and paint is all finished, we can start final assembly. The paint job
It's
on this
really
car
hard
came
to
out
find where they
absolutely
are.
perfect. The color is over the top beautiful.
I heard the door
absolutely
open.
love this. And I said absolutely like 5 times because I absolutely mean it.
I think
All right, well,
he's
looks like the paint
upstairs.
polish is all complete, so I understand you've been
Oh,
putting
yeah,
some
he
chunks
is.
together.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got some big major assemblies going on.
Looks like Chris has done a pretty good job of getting the bulk of the engine together.
Yeah.
Valve covers, those can go on after, so let's get it off of the rotisserie. Let's start pulling those big chunks out.
Okay, cool.
Okay, well, looks good, yeah. Let me know if you guys need a hand. I'll be looking for some more.
Aram some
Get this body
some
off the
gulu
rotisserie
gulu.
without a scratch. And I'm leaving that one up to Chris and
Aram
Jordan.
some.
Okay, so we have to cut everything except this. So the car is completely polished. It's ready to go. We don't want to do anything to scratch that or anything to damage that. So we're gonna have to cut this thing off gingerly. It'd be really cool if we had a bandsaw that
Do you see me sweating?
Helicopter. Helicopter.
So the areas we can get to, we're gonna use this bandsaw. It's a lot slower speed, no sparks. But I'm still gonna be nervous with all these blades super close to the paint.
Scared yet?
Aram some gulu gulu. Aram some. Let's go fill it up. The crop. Drop. He's over there. Now let's get the tape.
Legs aching again. I'm not sure I could face the walk back.
Aram some. Aram some gulu gulu gulu. Aram some.
Tell of pills. I hear he uses Revitin.
Revive circulation booster. Get your leg muscles pumping to
Go,
relieve
go, go,
excess
hurry up.
pains and reduce
Get.
swelling and cramp.
Understood.
Try Revive, best kept secret for 18 years. Let Pride do
No, I'm not going in the helicopter, mate. Done. Grab the fuel. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, now the key. Key somewhere here. There it is.
Smith's Toy Superstores. Want to get something? Have a smoke?
Yes. Alright. When that covers, Grandpa is going to be there. Grandpa's already here. Grandpa's here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.